Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. This is a 2007 A8L Audi. The color is night blue pearl with black leather interior. The A8L is the long wheelbase. It's like almost a limousine. Has a lot of room in the back seat. It's all-wheel drive. It has a powerful V8 equipped with Xenon headlights with high-pressure washers. Body's in excellent condition. It's not dinged or scratched. This is an aluminum body, so there's no rust issues. Has 19-inch wheels, nice Michelin tires, recently new. Has parking sensors in the front and the back. This is air suspension, and it has different settings. You can lower it or raise it, and you can have various ride options. This has comfort closing doors. They're soft closed doors. Now what I meant to say was comfort access locking system. You just push the button, vehicle locks as long as the key is on you, and then just grab the handle and it unlocks. I'll take you to the inside of the vehicle. Here we are on the inside. You can get a look at the nice wood grain interior. Sport steering wheel. And to start the vehicle, just push the start button. The screen raises.
Follow the road.
There's the navigation. And it's also used for radio and other functions. There's the suspension settings. And so on. Here's the backup camera. There you go. It's a nice feature. Here's a look at the instrument cluster. Automatic climate control. Power moonroof. And we'll shut it off. Just push the button. There we go. The key was in my pocket the whole time. Here's a look at the soft closed doors again. There we go. And in the back, there we go, unlocked. In the back, we have shades on the side. And there's a power shade on the back deck. Here you can get an idea how big the back seat is. Just a lot of room. There's rear climate control, as well as heated seats in the back. The front seats are heated and ventilated. Beautiful automobile. Still drives excellent. Lots of power and lots of comfort. At a very affordable price. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about it or to set up a time for you to view this vehicle. Thank you.